Alright, so here we are. We've got their old door off. We've got our Majestec invisible security screen door on. You can see it looks very nice, very elegant, inconspicuous, doesn't have any style of its own that it asserts on the cosmetics or aesthetics of the home. Looks like a regular insect mesh screen, but if we take a closer look here, this is our marine grade, high purity, stainless steel security mesh, which can't be cut with a knife or any sort of hand tools. It cannot be broken free from its frame. We have a patented fastening system, fastening our mesh into the frame around the entire perimeter. Also allows us to tension our mesh, keeping it nice and taut, not loose and wobbly. I like to point out, as always as well, on our doors we offer a 3-point locking system. So we have not only a deadbolt here, we have a large upper as well as a large lower hook which come out of our door and engage into its own frame down the entire side. We do make our product for every opening on a home. Single doors like this, double or French doors, as well as sliding patio doors and windows. Thank you for joining us again today. This is Jason with Majestec Security Screens in Riverside. If you have any questions, you can always give us a call toll free at 855-Majestec, or check us out online at majestecsocal.com. Thanks for joining us today, and we look forward to talking to you.